Hey, what's up guys? It's the Crypto Ginger here. Just wanted to bring you a quick weekly update on what's been happening in the cryptocurrency world. Now before we get started, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button because it really does help bring in more people and hopefully new subscribers to this channel. Now guys, as you can see, it is Sunday, January 14th, 2018, and we are currently sitting on a market cap of just over $708 billion. Now guys, as you can see here, as of last week on the 7-day chart, last Sunday we were just over $815 billion, and we had an extremely strong pullback to bring us down to $680 billion in less than 24 hours. Now, the catalyst for this? Well, according to this article here that came out last Monday, Coin Marketcap removes Korean exchange prices without warning. Now, once that happened, guys, when they removed that information, people were waking up Monday morning to an extremely low market cap that they had actually not been used to the day before. So on Sunday, you had $815 billion. Then Monday morning, you're down. You're down to just over $750 billion. Of course, once that happened, you know, the people were seeing this and starting to sell off their positions with their coins because they didn't want to lose any more value in their coins. What happened then after that is just dropped the price. It tanked the price down to $680 billion. Now again, when CoinMarketCap did not post that information and it caused that hysteria and the people selling or panic selling, then they came on that later that morning stated that, hey, you know, we did exclude that information. It was all due to the extreme divergence in price from the rest of the world and limited arbitrage opportunities. So basically, they were stating that, you know, the Korean exchange prices just didn't have the entire effect that they felt was necessary to put them and include that into the total market cap. So again, people woke up Monday morning, saw a price difference in the total market cap, and just started doing sell-offs. Now, we can see that once they posted their Twitter feed, there was a nice rally back upwards here, bringing us just over $750 billion. But we've had a major correction over the last week now. We've only hit $750 billion just a couple times this week, and that's it. And even recently, we've had another pullback. And then, of course, what I'm showing here is it looks like a small correction, and of course, maybe even a small rally up, but nothing too substantial there. And of course, other things that have been happening in the news there regarding this here did not help. For example, the Metropolitan Bank halted different types of cryptocurrency wire transfers for new investors and even older investors as well. But they basically stated, you know, they were putting a halt on anything related to Bitcoin and any cryptocurrencies going to and from their account, anybody who had an account with that Metropolitan Bank. So again, you have another type of regulation happening here that's having an impact on the driving force of the total market cap. So people were not allowed to really make their investments through that bank. Now, of course, another thing here, and I apologize for jumping around here, but I want to give you guys a firm understanding of what's taking place here when it comes to some of this news here. Now, of course, if you've seen recently articles such as this right here, Warren Buffett has actually come out this week stating that why would he invest in cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin when he doesn't have any understanding about that to begin with. Then he comes out afterwards and states that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies will come to a bad end. Now, granted, this is one of the richest people on the planet here, but when you don't have a firm understanding of what it is that you're talking about, such as cryptocurrencies, and then you talk about that it will come to a bad end, you're just putting more fear and uncertainty and doubt into the minds of new people coming into the cryptocurrency market. People such as myself and I would imagine most real investors that are out there. I'm not a real investor. I'm just someone who's interested in this, and I have purchased coins, but I don't let this stuff scare me. These kind of fear tactics scare me, and I've been holding my positions on my coins. So most of the people I've seen are still holding their positions just as well. But again, you have these big time people out here making these kind of claims that it's going to come to an end, and a bad end at that. It does not help the actual industry at all. Now, of course, what is interesting is that with this kind of knowledge of cryptocurrency and the technology behind it, there are actually people out there trying to use it to their advantage. And this is where I'm going to kind of end my video, guys. I just found this strikingly funny. But if you've seen the news here, certain companies are basically, if they haven't been doing very well, let's just say, they've been going about looking into changing their name and possibly their dynamics, and some of them are even adding things such as blockchain or blockchain technology to their name to try to actually gain the attention of people invested in cryptocurrency or even newcomers into the cryptocurrency world. As you can see here, there was a company that was basically a cloud company, and all they needed to do was just to simply add their name, add blockchain to their name, and now all of a sudden, they are this, this brand new up and coming company. There was another company here. This was part of the news here this week. Long Island Iced Tea Corporation changed their name to Long Blockchain, and once they did that, their shares soared. I mean, it went high. They just I can't believe that people are actually buying into the company just simply because they put the name blockchain in there. And of course, another article coming out here. There was another company basically doing the exact same thing. From my understanding, there was a company called JA Energy, and they simply changed their name to UBI Blockchain. And when they did that, basically their shares went up just as well, and now they're planning on trying to sell 72.3 million shares. Which sounds to me like they're just trying to get rid of some parts of their company because it wasn't doing well beforehand. And this is just a way for them to gain money from any type of losses they might have had originally. But again, this is my speculation on this right here, and I just find it very interesting that all you really have to do at this point in time is simply add the word blockchain to your name. So maybe I should just add that to my name there, the Crypto Ginger Blockchain. What do you guys think about that? Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this. I apologize for this being long-winded. I just felt like I could give you some brief news here as to, things that have happened in the cryptocurrency market, and of course, some interesting things that we might be seeing along the road here with other companies that might be adding blockchain to their names. So, anyways, outside of that, guys, leave a comment there if you have any questions or concerns or things that you might have heard about that I didn't go over, and of course. Let me know if you think that adding the blockchain to your name is actually going to do something substantial for us. And hey, what do you think of the Crypto Ginger blockchain? I know it's a joke, but what do you think that'll help my exposure? Anyways, thanks again, guys, for watching. I appreciate it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. More videos to come. Bye-bye.